Hey there, East here. Today we are going to MerriMill Farm and Vineyard with the 1957. Gonna get her loaded up here, ready to go in a second. The local Land Rover dealership and the Rove Owners Association of Virginia, they're going to be out there as well. Got some trails to ride, got some fun stuff to do, so it's going to be a good day. Just pulled up at MerriMill with my ride or die. Driving in to the event. Beautiful spot. Full lineup here. The 110, of course, that's the one you guys know. 57. I love this vehicle. I love everything about this vehicle. And then the two MerriMill vehicles. This was one that Big G did a little while before he passed away. But this is a really fun one that we did custom build for MerriMill, specifically for them to do vineyard tours, which was a lot of fun to build this one. And then Barbie, the little pink 90, we did this one especially for it's locked at the moment. We did this especially for Elizabeth. I don't know if you can see in through the, no, you're not going to be able to see there, but again, very cool little vehicle. Lots and lots and lots of fun on these. And then the other thing that we did, which was pretty cool, is we did the embroidered seats for all the vehicles, which was really nice. There's a bit of a discussion when this vehicle was being built, because the guys in South Africa refused to paint a vehicle pink. But after Katie had worked with Elizabeth on the color being Playboy pink, they came to their senses and that's where we are. All right, out at MerriMill. Katie is thrilled. We are just doing a drive around the property. That's where the local bees are for the honey. We are in mud ruts right now. Some pretty decent ruts over here. Maintain speed. Jeez, these are so deep. The vehicle's gonna drive itself through them. A little bit of a bump for us to get up. And I don't have the mud tires on here. These are just the standard street tires. But of course, as always, the vehicle just does what it needs to do without any issue whatsoever. So it's been a good day for us. It looks like the 1957 has found a new home. So more to come on that, but just driving around MerriMill right now before we head back to Richmond. on the way out, and just to prove that inside I'm still a 5-year-old, there's a fantastic section here of nothing but mud. I love the way Katie just decided to put down her drink because she knows exactly
what that means.
What that means. And we're through. Why do you love me?
You have an inner 5-year-old.
Fortunate enough to have landed up somewhere very, very special. There's the Series. Just look at all of these vehicles.